This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on strumming in 3/4 time, and we're going to work on the E chord, the A chord, and the D chord. We've done a lot previously with the D chord, but I do have it up here on the board in case you need a review. But we've just gotten started, starting in the last video lesson with the E chord and the A chord. So we're continuing to work on mastering those two chords especially now in 3/4 time here in this video. And this video does accompany lesson 4 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. So if you have that book, you're going to want to be on pages 24 and 25. We're going to be working on the materials. We're going to be playing some of the exercises and so on from those pages. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the strumming pattern. We have done this strumming pattern before, so it might be a little familiar. We worked on it a little bit when we were doing the materials from lesson 3 in the book. But it's been a little while, so let's go ahead and review it. So we've got down, down, up, down. 1, 2, up, 3. 1, 2, up, 3. 1, 2, up, 3. And of course we can also do a swung eighth note variety, so I was doing even eighth notes there, meaning that these eighth notes have the exact same amount of time. If we do a swung eighth note version, we're going to delay that up strum a little bit by pushing it further back into the beat. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, or 1, 2, up, 3. So once you've got these, you could practice them with each of the chords or even switching back and forth between the chords. For example, on E, I've got the even eighth note. Or we could do it with the swung eighth note. Practice it on each of those chords individually. Practice going back and forth between the chords like E and A. One of the things that I've thrown out as a tip before is that when we're switching chords with a strumming pattern, like this strumming pattern here, as soon as we play that last down strum, we want to start switching chords. So if I'm going down, down, up, down, I want to switch chords right there. I don't want to wait until I'm starting my down strum of where the next chord would come. I want to start switching. It helps make those switches seamless. So you can think switch chords, switch chords, switch chords, and that can help get that switching between chords happening faster and help it sound seamless as we move from one to the next. Okay, so we're going to jam together using this strumming pattern and these chords on number 2 and number 3 from the lesson. So number 2 is there at the bottom of page 24. We've got that song, and then we're going to go over and do number 3. Now number 3 is technically in 4/4 time, but we're going to treat it like it's in 3/4 time. So each measure will just play one measure of this strumming pattern for each measure there. That's how it'll happen with the actual jam along with me and the band. So you're going to get each one of these, number 2 and then number 3, at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So we're going to jam on them together. You can strum right along, and as I've mentioned in previous videos, you can also just isolate the different elements. So when there's a sung song, you can practice just singing, trying to match that melody. You can practice just strumming. You can practice just fingering the chords. You can put those elements, start putting them together. Those are great ways to take advantage of jamming along right with me until you can get it all happening at the tempos that it's happening at. So it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and jam together.
Gently sweet Afton, among thy cranberries. Oh, gently I'll sing thee a song in thy praise. My Mary's asleep by the murmuring stream. Oh,
Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this, and I hope it's super helpful to you. In the next video that comes out, we're going to continue to work on the E chord and the A chord, as those are the chords that we're focusing on mastering right now. Of course, we will have some other chords that we've done previously pop into the songs and exercises that we're playing. But we're going to continue to work on these two chords, and in the next video, I've got a new strumming pattern for you. So we're going to start working on a new strumming pattern for 4/4 time. It's going to be great. Keep at it, keep having fun, and we'll see you in more of these videos.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.